birthday. Ingat ka lagi. Miss you. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dada. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Ingat. Happy Dada.
Hi Idol Mai, a blessed morning and a blessed birthday celebration. More birthdays to come and more blessings to come also as well as your family. And mag-ingat ka palagi, Mai. Sana magiging masaya ang buong araw mo ngayon. Forget mo muna, set aside mo muna yung mga problema mo. Enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Ingat. God bless once again. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. God bless you. Hope to see you soon. Ingat ka palagi sa trabaho mo. Chika na lang tayo about sa, alam mo na, yun na pag-usapan natin. Basta palagi ka na lang magdadasal. Swerte mo na yan. Kaya, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Baymay! Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Love ya!
Hi, Ma. I just want to say happy birthday. And I wish you all the best in life. And I pray to God na i-guide mo yung heart mo sa lahat. Alam mo yan. And I pray to God na i-protect ka niya, i-guide ka niya sa tamang path. And I know na lahat ng desire ng puso mo ay i-besto ni God kasi your heart is pure. And I pray to God also na good health ka, i-guide ka niya sa work mo, at lagi ka niyang i-protect sa lahat ng harmful things. Alam mo yan, nandito lang ako for you. Pag kailangan mo ako, message mo lang ako. I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday.
Hi there! Happy 30th birthday! May Papa God. God bless you more and your family. Lagi ka mag-iingat. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Alam ko, hindi madali yung mga pinagdadaanan ng problema. Hindi naman yung ibibigay ni God kung hindi natin kayang harapin at kayang masolusyonan. Laban lang. Dito na kami mga kaibigan mo. Willing na kausapin ka kung ito may problema. Alam ko naman, nagchat sa akin kung ito may problema at hindi mo na kaya. Gusto mo may kausap ka talaga. Dito lang ako para sa iyo. Thank you sa friendship. Happy birthday. Sana maganda ka sa arawan mo. I love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Be. God bless. Mabilis naman po. Be, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Wish all the best. Hope to see you. Happy birthday.
Good morning. Hi, my happy birthday. And more birthdays to come. God bless you and ingat ka palagi dyan sa work mo. See ya soon.
Hi there! Happy birthday, Mai! Wish ko sa'yo more birthday to come, good health, always God bless. Thank you sa stress, sa friendship. Lagi kang mag-iingat. Sana magkita na tayo, hindi yung puro plano-plano, kakahiya naman siya. Basta yun lang, happy birthday, happy 30th birthday, mag-asawa ka na. Mauna ka ha, sunod ako. Charot.
Happy birthday to you. Happy to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
My happy birthday. God bless you and enjoy your day. Sana soon makita na tayo. Ikaw na lang ata hindi ko nakita. Tsaka sana makahanap ka na ng jowa. Ay, tayo pala.
Hi Mai, happy birthday. Wala akong ibang message, basta masasabi ko lang happy birthday and God bless. Ingat palagi. Yun lang.
Hi, baby my happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come and good health. Ingat ka palagi. Love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Ingat lagi. God bless you. Good health. Love you. Love.
Happy birthday, baby Mai.
More birthday to come. Ingat ka palagi. God bless.